Once a month, we go into the community and we do service in San Marcos, in Austin, San Antonio. But this is our first time coming to Kerrville and doing an overnight service Saturday trip.
Texans on Mission does really three main things we focus on: is helping to bring help, hope, and healing to those affected by disaster. And we're here outside of Kerrville helping out a family that was affected by that July 4th flooding.
On July 4th, we obviously had a flood come in. It went in our house about 7 feet within inside the home. And since then, we've had many groups of people, organizations, volunteers come out and just help us rebuild.
As we transitioned to rebuild, we decided to open up the opportunity for others to join us in the rebuild projects. And so what we've done is set up an interest form, and Texas State, through Jasmine, reached out to us and said, we would like to see if this might be a good fit for us. Could you share with us a little bit about what you're doing? And that's led us to here today. We've got a great bunch of students that are here.
We are rebuilding a house for one of the families that were struck by the 4th of July floods that hit the Kerrville County. We're helping put in drywall sheets into the wall. We're helping rebuild the floors. We're clearing out all the mud and all the different debris that's within the house, and we're helping give back to the community all the best we can.
All these college kids coming out here, spending their time to help others, help strangers. It's phenomenal. It's breathtaking, and there's no really way to say thank you. There's no words for that. And it's just neat how these people, these young people want to reach out and say, hey, what can we do to help you?